Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. This is your morning message. Let's see what is the message for the collective. So yesterday was the full moon in Pisces, and I hope you all have done your moon ritual, full moon ritual, and even today you can continue and do it. So the energy is quite good for the next 3-4 days. सो अपना न्यू मून रिचुअल सॉरी फुल मून रिचुअल करते जाइए, आज भी रात को कीजिए. ओके, सो दिस विल बी अ जनरल रीड. लेट्स सी. दिस विल नॉट रेजोनेट विथ एवरीबडी. सो कुछ के साथ रेजोनेट होगा, कुछ के साथ आप नहीं आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओगे क्योंकि ये एक जनरल रीड है. सो चेक इट आउट एंड लेट्स सी what is the message for today or today's tarot for the collective. Cleansing water, staying focused, hold the course, choosing your path. It is time to relax as we are around still in the vibes of Pisces full moon just getting over. This is so important. People think just working and getting things done is important, but relaxing, doing nothing, meditating, sleeping more, just going slow is also very important, because that is the time we get our energies back. Or just having a good cuppa and chatting with a friend, watching a beautiful movie, anything that makes you happy. And if you want to be, if you are more into this, more into healing, so you can start meditating, start a meditation practice any day. You can do it once a week, you can do every day 10 minutes, whatever, whichever makes you happy. And this is for some of you all. Hold the course, whatever is your dream. It is difficult, it is hard, that's why everybody can't do it. Okay, so keep holding your course, keep moving forward. As you move forward, there will be people who will join you and help you along the path, and all is possible. Do not give up. All is possible, and the more you feel relaxed, the more you are focused, the more your dream will come closer to you. Okay, and I will pull out today. I'm going to do it only with oracle cards. So let's see what is three more clarity or addition in this. Let me keep it how it was. Joy and delight, learn from life, inspiration and courage. So this is so similar. Start doing things which make you happy. Start relaxing. You have taken too much responsibility that is bogging you down. And any phase of life which is giving you lot of trouble, which is making you unhappy, please try and learn the lesson. The faster you understand the lesson, the faster you will pivot to the next level. I know it's not easy. We all have our destiny, we all have a path, we all have a baggage and journey. And this is again inspiration and courage, and start meditating to get clarity on what is your next step. And the third oracle deck which I will be using is something very simple. So maybe this is a small message for you guys. Give more. So start the chain of energy flow. Start doing for others what you want for yourself. Okay, and keep dancing. So dancing is so beautiful. You can do it with a partner, you can do it alone, you can do it with your kids, you can do it with your friends. So even dancing is a source of meditation, is a way of meditation. You can get lot of answers, because at this time your mind is relaxed and free. So that's where you get answers. And the third is take no offense. Sorry. So do not mind small things in life. Just take it with a pinch of salt. हर चीज़ को दिल पे लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So guys, this was the message of the day. I hope everybody has got something out of it. So see you soon. Do like, share and subscribe. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.